Okay, I'm going to show you how to download the Safekab app, and in this example I'm going to use Aberdeen. So go to your Play Store or your Apple Store, and because I'm going to go for the Aberdeen app, I'm going to type in Aberdeen Safekab. But whatever city you would be in, you'd type in the city name and then Safekab. Search, and here we go, Safekab. A Safekab driver Aberdeen AT, that's the logo, so we'll select that one. And we'll hit install. And give it a minute, it will install for you, and then we can proceed to register. Installing. Then we just go to open and get started here. So click on get started, continue, and for the notifications, allow. And location, obviously you have to allow for the using the app, and then enter the phone number 7508, your phone number, and continue. So you need to put in your name here. I'll just put in Gav Taxi, email address, this has got to be the same email address that you use for Stripe also when you go to that one. You should have picked a short email address. Anyway, continue. And we'll be sent an OPT code to verify the phone number. There we go. Right, that's you registered in the app. And what you have to do is you have to take an image of yourself. So take an image of yourself and upload it. And once you do that, then you have to take an image of your badge and the expiry date of your badge. I'll just do an example here. So you would just put the expiry date starting with the year and then the month and day. Next, and take a photo. So I'm just going to take a photo of anything here, but take a photo of your badge, and then that uploads to your profile. Continue, and then that's uploaded. And then management will check on the other side that everything's uploaded properly, so that you do that with your license. DBS that's a PVG, so if you don't have a PGV for now, just take a photo of any document and we'll locate it from our side if you don't have one. And then up on the top side there, you've got all your MOT, so same thing. Put the expiry date in with the year, the day and the month, and take an image of your MOT. And that all gets saved to your profile. Do the same for your insurance, your plate tag, that's your operator's license. So the plate at the back of your car, go to there, put your expiry date in of your operator's license, and take a photo of your plate in the back of your car or your operator's license paperwork, whichever is easiest for you. And then obviously up here you need to take a photo of your car and your vehicle details. Just enter in registration number, make, model, the colour of the car, and click here if you're pet friendly or not. Once you load up all that information, management will check that everything's loaded up correctly, and then you can't log on. But once we check everything and verify that you're okay, you'll be able to click on check for updates, and you will be legal and be able to log on. Okay, hope that makes sense. Cheers.